Welcome to our trading channel. This is Jenny from peakbinaryoption.com. US 500 index shows a downward trend today. 56.12 is a strong support level. So I placed a long position near the level. The market moves higher after the reversal. The price test the middle band on the Bollinger Bands indicator. There is about 10 minutes left. So there is still chance for a dump. I will close the trade before expiry to lock the profits. The gold market also consolidation and most traders waiting for the Fed rate cut. No one can predict, so keep the risk in mind. If you have any question, feel free to contact our team via email or Skype. Thanks for watching and wish you succeed in trading.